Here we go again into the chest. This time, another version of Tom Baker's sonic screwdriver. Now, in some shots, the head of the sonic, the way it would catch studio light or outdoor light, it would appear brass in color instead of red. And there are people out there that actually prefer that. And on occasion, depending on my mood, I'm one of them. Now, this sonic is an option that doesn't come with sound, although it can have a sound module similar to the third Dr. Sonic that I showed in another video. It does have moving parts, and for when not in the mood, this one has an exchangeable head. So, what are you in the mood for today? Redhead or blonde? Choice is yours.